Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Friday, February 26th of 2021, and maybe you weren't around, maybe you're new, but usually Fridays we celebrate a little bit. Last Friday, I got a copyright strike against me for playing the coolest Friday song of all time. Go check it out. It was about Chainlink. Go check it out. Friday. Guy dancing, my favorite video. Go check it. Maybe you watched it, maybe you want to watch it again. Go check it out. But today we're going to talk about the crypto markets as a whole and Bitcoin and what it could be doing the next few days, the next few weeks. We're going to discuss in detail the March drops that everyone's talking about. This video is not going to get me the most views, but I feel like I've built enough of a loyal following that I can help enough people with this that it's going to be worth it. So I'm going to do something that's probably going to be my least watched video ever, but could be very important for some of you that have been following me since the beginning. So I appreciate you. This is for you guys, and let's go ahead and get on it. So as you know, we're down as a whole in crypto, but we kind of see signs of life. And as I said before, everyone's talking about the March drops. Bitcoin's technically been going down in March for the past 6 years at least. Let's go ahead and look at it. As you can see, since 2015, I've highlighted all these green boxes are the March candles. We haven't done our March candle now, but starting Monday, we're going to be starting that. March 1st is Monday. Wake up. So, March 2020, March 2019, 18, 17, 16, and 15. Look at all the candles. They're almost all red, right? This one was green, but still look at where we were. Not very strong. $3,800 Bitcoin. But I'm going to show you why this was and why I don't actually think that we might repeat that. I have serious doubts. First of all, everyone's talking about a March drop, which usually is a warning sign. If everyone thinks something's happening, it might not happen that way. And today I'm going to back it up, as we always do, with some evidence. So remember these boxes here, and I'm going to show you why. Remember, 2015, all these are red, right? Not very good. So let's look it out. 2016, you got to remember this was the start of our bull run, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and look. The DXY, our secret sauce to crypto. Let's look where we are now. Remember this, we'll come back in a minute. Look at March of last year, 2020. Super volatile. You remember all the money started printing. The good old Corona was showing up. But still, the dollar was very strong, above its 21-month. We're on a monthly scale here, folks. This is big time. Anytime you're above your 21-month, it's a sign of big strength. So, super strong still. 2019, you guessed it, still the dollar is very strong. 2018. Okay, now you might say that's a red, but look at where it was going. This was bottomed out in January, February, started moving back up. Yeah, it was going up and down, and it closed red, but this was the start of the dollar gaining super strength. So the dollar was still gaining, and still positive news for the dollar. 2017, March, still above our 21-month. Look at it's over 100 index. That's very strong, even though this was the catalyst for, remember what happened in 2017 with crypto? That was your big jumps in all coins. Look at what the dollar was doing. 2016, the start of the bull run. Look at March drop. This was the catalyst to kick off crypto. 2015, March, the dollar's still very strong. See up here? Way above the 21-month. Bitcoin, nothing. So if all these years the dollar's been strong during March, then you know why Bitcoin was doing terrible during March. During cryptos can't do anything when the dollar's super strong. Now, let's fast forward to today. as I've said in previous videos, this has not happened in almost 20 years. 2003 is the last time the 21 month crossed the 50 month in the US dollar index. Back here. 18 years ago since that happened. That is a bad sign for the dollar. The US dollar is below its it's almost 20-year moving average. This is over 16 and a half years. This line right here. This is a 200-month moving average. If we close in 9 hours, folks, we get a monthly close. That will be our second consecutive monthly candle closing under the 200-month moving average. That is a terrible sign for the United States dollar. That is a fantastic sign for crypto. That is why I believe March may not be what you think it is going to be for cryptocurrency. And let's fast forward again, folks. Let's look at on a smaller time frame. Let's get rid of these drawings. And I want to show you something else. So this is our support band right now for Bitcoin. If we can hold and range in this and start moving back up, if we bounce off of these levels and this is our low, and we can hold this support that we've been interacting with all of February, you could see altcoins start flipping back up very quickly. If we get a bounce here like we did back here, like we did here, and Bitcoin starts trending back up again slowly like this, alt season part 2 is very nearby. This will be a catalyst to kick off and reverse market sentiment on a dime and start shooting back up on all of alts. As you can see, we're starting right now. Maybe by the time of recording, we've already reversed this, but we want to wait. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. We still have our weekly is closing in 2 days in crypto, 2 days, 10 hours. Keep this in the back of your head. If we can hold this level somewhere in here without going below, say, 44,000, if we break 44,000 between now and Sunday and we start going down, yeah, then we could be going down for a little bit. Now, that doesn't mean we go down for the next 6 weeks or whatever through all of March. We make videos 10 times a week. So I'll keep you updated. If you're joining us on our Telegram, I'll update you there throughout the weekend. Hopefully, if we start getting crazy, I can do a live stream. So please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. So to recap, the dollar has been in a strong position the past 6 years. Bitcoin has been in a weak position the past 6 years. Bitcoin has been down in March the past 6 years. The dollar has been up or on an uptrend in March the past 6 years. This is the first time in 6 years the dollar is looking extremely weak. When the dollar is weak, crypto can be strong and run. We've had a cross and a shock to the US dollar that we haven't seen in nearly 20 years. Be ready. If we close here or lower in the coming months to a year, this is on a monthly time scale again. So it doesn't matter what tomorrow brings or the next 16 minutes. This would be the catalyst that crypto needs for global domination. Let's put it that way. Global revolution. If the United States dollar starts to crumble and loses lows, breaks our local low here of 88, good luck to the dollar. Long live crypto. See you next one.